Hey guys, thanks for watching another video. This is me exploring the mounds. 1100 years old. So much history. They have another mound that's way over here. Anyways, smash the thumbs up, like, subscribe for more content each and every Thursday. Open daily. Warning, lightning on mound during stormy weather. Cahokia Mounds today. We're gonna go and explore and show you guys it. Got people walking up there. Way at the top. Walking up to the mounds right now. We got a guy. Got a girl that's just hiking to the top. So the last time I was here at this historical state park, I was down here and I took a picture up on the mounds and my pants were like completely changed. So we're gonna take another photo for you guys and see if that happens, and yeah. And here is the start of the Monk's Mound. We're getting ready to climb the stairs up to the top. This is nowhere compared to the
incline?
Yeah, the incline's steeper.
Yeah, I saw it. I mean, I saw video.
We did it in March too.
Just telling you, just watching this boxer run up and down, that thing was crazy.
I think that lady did it like 3 times.
Huh.
We're at the first landing. God, it is cool. See St. Louis in the background from here. Thought that was pretty cool. Absolutely beautiful from up here. There's other mounds all throughout. This is the largest prehistoric earthwork in Americas. And here's a cool little sign we can check out. Here's some pictures of what they think the mounds used to look like. Here's these wood things here that really no one even knows what they're for, or even if they're original to the mounds, but it's kind of creepy. Is there? Oh shit. I'm highly allergic to bees. Probably wasn't the best to walk in that. But yeah, no one really knows what those things are. Well, now we know what this is. It's a defensive wall. It's a fort they made. We're gonna go walk over and see whatever this is over here. Here's more of the defensive walls over here on the property. I'm gonna go in and kind of give you guys a quick little tour of the inside of some of these defense walls. There's a lot of bees in here. I can't go super far because I'm highly allergic. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Sorry it's on a little bit of the shorter end, but I had a lot of fun recording this for you guys. I'm gonna hop out now because this is scary.